Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to be having a look through this Numatic Homecare brochure dated 2005. The Homecare range features the very popular Henry models plus his friends Charles, George and James. Face to face. With the introduction of Henry with his happy but cheeky little smile more than 25 years ago, we have now come to truly understand just how much our customers appreciate, or dare we say in some cases love, the unique individual character concept. We have also learned that it's not simply the character that has endeared the Henry product to the customers, but more so the full professional specification of the machine's design. We must all be reminded that the Henry machine and concept was created for professional users in the first instance, being used in hospitals, hotels, shops and schools, not to mention buses and boats, trains and planes, and it was from this beginning that his reputation grew and his fame spread to captivate the homeowner, demanding long life and improved performance. Our daily lives are inundated with a whole range of inanimate appliances, the washing machine, dishwasher, cooker, refrigerator, and we all certainly couldn't be without them. But then there is Henry, not forgetting James, Charles and George. Out they come, a smile at every turn that really does say, come on, let's get the job done together, it won't take long. Be it cleaning the house, the car, the carpets, or clearing out the loft. With one look, that happy little smile lets you know that it's all under control. Here's the very bright and cheerful James, model JVP180. So he's the most basic of the range without the pneumatic cord rewind, but he does have space at the top to store some additional tools and the odd duster and polish. James is not only a classic with personality plus, but he's also a very clever design based on genuinely thoughtful simplicity coupled with superb power and performance. The on switch is my master control. It's bright and red so you can't miss it, but once used, get ready to be impressed. We're talking professional standards now. The unique caddy top is brilliant, somewhere for your cable, the tools, and even a duster and some polish. Right where you need them, when you need them, every time. Even the cable is securely plugged to the machine, allowing easy replacement should it accidentally become damaged. Big capacity, 4-wheel stability, giant filters coupled with 2-stage microflow dust bags give you the very best of all worlds, quick and efficient to use, simple to empty. Accessories are to full professional size and specification, nothing skimped, nothing forgotten. Designed to do the job and do it well, wherever, whenever. James, a simple design that started where most others stopped. See, on these two pages we've got the regular Henry and Henry Xtra. The regular Henry in this particular brochure has the twin-speed motor. This is model HVR200-22. He comes with the A1 toolkit. He has a 1200 watt motor, 45 litres per second airflow and a 9 litre capacity. Henry Xtra model HVX200-22 is also a 2-speed 1200 watt cleaner, but he also comes with the 3-stage Micro filter as well as the aero brush. The kit provided with Henry Xtra is the X1 toolkit, and he has 45 litres per second airflow like the other Henry and a 9 litre capacity. Here we have two other Henrys, the Henry Micro model HVR200M-22 and the Henry Turbo model HVR200-T-2. I've got both these machines on my channel, but the Micro I've got is a later version, but I think I've got this exact version of Henry Turbo so you can see him in action on my pneumatic playlist. There are Henrys here and Henrys there. You'll find dear Henry everywhere, but so will you find dust-related allergies purported to affect between 20 and 30% of the population, especially the very young and the elderly. Henry Micro is to the full Henry specification with a professional twin-flow vacuum motor, high-low control for different surface applications, a 10-meter cable rewind and storage system, but to this has been added our exclusive Microtex filtration system, approved to the highest allergen standard by the British Allergy Foundation. In every way fast and friendly, never without his cheeky smile, Henry Micro comes to the aid of sufferers everywhere. Remember, you can always add a Microtex filter to any standard Henry to upgrade filtration to this exceptional standard if required. Again, the Henry Turbo embodies all the unique Henry features, including his famous smile, but to the professional specification has been added 2 exceptional additional features. The MicroFresh filtration system, Micro being 98% efficient, and fresh by virtue of a giant activated charcoal filter membrane sandwiched between twin Tritex filters, providing a high degree of odour control. The Turbo electric power brush system is truly unique with its 24-volt floating self-adjusting power brush design and removable brush roll for easy cleaning. Added to this is a whole host of standard additional accessories to cover the full range of cleaning tasks. Without doubt, Henry Turbo is a serious model for extensively carpeted homes and also for pet owners, raising the overall cleaning standard to a new improved level. On these pages we're introduced to the multifunction cleaners, the Charles Wet and Dry and the George multifunction machine. You want a vacuum cleaner that is totally without compromise, be it for wet or dry use, and that's exactly what you get. 1 minute, or most of the year in the majority of cases, Charles will be up to his neck in dust and dirt, keeping everything spick and span, and then suddenly the call arrives and is expected to unblock the sink or dry the floor. Well, it's no problem with Charles. He has our full twin flow motor and performance to give you exactly what you need. Big filters and disposable dust bags for dry use, and a safety float valve for wet pickup. Tubes are lightweight aluminium and will never rust. 2 floor nozzles, one for wet work and a superb combination nozzle for carpets and hard floors, and even that has a stainless steel high-efficiency carpet plate. Add to this 3 smaller tools and you are ready to tackle almost anything that comes along, be it floors or floods, corners or curtains. You are in control. Having a Charles about the house is like having an insurance policy, but without the small print. This true all-in-one machine that is totally at home, be it in the wet or the dry. This classic all-in-one is genuinely the family friend. Dry vacuuming, wet vacuuming, scrubbing and drying hard floors, deep cleaning the carpet, cleaning the upholstery, unblocking the sink, you name it, George is your man. The combination of our highly efficient twin-flow bypass vacuum motor and our power-flow pump system provides you with professional cleaning standards anytime, anywhere, ensuring exceptional results. The George design is in itself based entirely on our CleanTech professional range of machines, designed to work extensively and for long hours, and functioning to a professional standard. When it comes to dry vacuuming, you have big filters, use of disposable microflow dust bags, and you have a superb combination floor nozzle. In the wet mode, a simple exchange of the dry filter for the safety float valve allows any number of wet tasks to be achieved. So there you have it. Wet, dry, carpets, hard floors, upholstery. You name it, George is your man. On the last 2 pages we have home care optional accessories including bags, filters and cleaning tools. On the back cover we have addresses for Numatic United Kingdom, Numatic France, Numatic South Africa, Numatic Germany and Numatic Netherlands. As I mentioned before, this brochure was printed in 2005. If you're interested in seeing pneumatic cleaners in action, check out the Numatic playlist on my channel. Thanks very much for watching and I'll see you all very soon for the next video. Bye for now.